this video I am going to show you how to build a line following train using my this witblox kit. So let's get started. You will require the power, a distance sensor, one driver, one invert, and the another driver. So attach the power and the distance sensor, a driver, invert, and this another driver. Take your train structure, take the IR sensor and put it here. Take the two your motors, take the double tape, stick it here, see like this. Take the caster wheel and stick it here. Stick the IR sensor, here, and so this your engine is ready. Take the all train compartments and stick. I use here the double tape to attach this compartment. You can use a thread so you can stick it, and your train is ready now.